You're right there, heart racing with anticipation, ready for closeness, when suddenly your erection starts to fade away. Your mind is fully engaged and eager, but your body doesn't seem to follow, and the more you focus on it, the quicker the moment slips away. That wave of disappointment and panic can feel overwhelming. But what if you had a quiet, effective way to restore firmness in less than 60 seconds? It might surprise you how well this works. Today I'm going to share this straightforward technique with you. Hello, I'm Vivienne. Over the years, I've guided many men toward greater confidence and satisfaction in their intimate lives, and this quick method is one I love sharing. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is your space for practical, trustworthy advice on men's intimate health. A quick but important note: if you're experiencing persistent or serious erectile difficulties due to conditions like advanced diabetes or heart concerns, this technique is not a complete solution. Speak with your doctor first. Your erections can tell you a lot about your general health. Yet when they normally work well and only occasionally disappoint, especially during moments of stress, fatigue, or anxiety, this approach can make a meaningful difference. This easy method has already helped so many men regain their natural response, and I truly believe it can do the same for you. Fundamentally, a firm erection relies on strong, sustained blood flow. Two essential systems work together to make that happen smoothly. When stress or worry kicks in, your nervous system shifts into alert mode, causing blood vessels to narrow and limit flow. Your pelvic floor muscles provide important natural support. Studies, including one from the British Journal of Urology International, have shown that strengthening these muscles help many men return to normal erectile function. This technique beautifully combines relaxing breath work that naturally elevates nitric oxide levels with a simple pelvic floor activation to encourage healthy blood movement. Next time you notice things softening, try this. Step 1. Breathe in gently through your nose for 4 seconds, allowing your belly to rise comfortably. Step 2. Pause and hold the breath lightly for 2 seconds. Step 3. Release the breath slowly through your mouth over 6 to 8 seconds. This creates a deep sense of calm and supports nitric oxide production. Step 4. While exhaling, softly activate your pelvic floor, the muscles you'd use to pause urination, and lift them gently upward. Step 5, fully release the muscles and notice the gentle sensation that follows. Step 6, repeat the full sequence 3 to 5 times. Each cycle is quick. The whole practice usually takes less than a minute. The science is fascinating. Deep nasal breathing helps switch on your body's relaxation response and taps into the rich nitric oxide stored in your nasal passages, as noted in research going back to the 1990s. Pairing that with the pelvic floor squeeze gives a natural pumping action that helps deliver blood more effectively to the tissues. To amplify the results, you can follow the last round with a few quick movements such as 10 squats or push-ups to circulate blood even faster. Best of all, you can do this discreetly, even while being close with your partner. You deserve those meaningful, confident moments of connection. This gentle practice can help bring them back. I'm Vivienne, and I'm rooting for you every step of the way. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you again soon.